Philip Dube, is he's trying to, in the public, portray one thing. I just want the truth. I want the investigation. But get a warrant if you want to get the truth. There's a difference between the two. It's nothing illegal, Philip, nothing illegal. I understand it. But having them go through their state, then they got to go through New York. I used to do this at the prosecutor's office. When other jurisdictions were serving warrants in New Jersey, they'd have to come see me in Bergen County. So I understand the process, and I understand that it's all legal. But if you're truly, truly cooperating 1,000% and not putting up roadblocks, you and your lawyer would sit down with the investigator and say, okay, here's the phone. What do you want to see? Let's download it and make sure you don't take anything that you shouldn't take, and you take what you're entitled to.
Well, cooperation, Vinnie, does not mean a relinquishment of every single right under the Constitution, right? And furthermore, you are not, and courts are not allowed to hold a refusal to consent to a search of anything, be it your phone, your apartment, your car, against you. It's just a right.
Oh,
that
we're not talking about law. We're
subvert.
talking about what the game he's playing with the public right now. That's what
Understood.
I'm talking about.
I got it. But I got to tell you, I agree with the think tank tonight because, to be fair, you know, there's a difference between legal interests and public relations interests. Right now, his legal interests are in jeopardy. Right now, who really cares what his fans think, what the public thinks? All that really matters, maybe, is what a jury might think of him if charges are filed. So he's going out of his way right now to protect his legal interests. Now, the other thing I want to add, to be fair, you know, nowadays a cell phone is like a file cabinet. You know, it's not just like a little folder that might have a couple of phone numbers on it or a couple of missives. It's a huge library of information. And I find it very invasive that they can just carte blanche, willy-nilly, open up the file cabinet and help themselves. You're darn right. Get a warrant. And if they do, I'd move to quash.